Hello everyone, we are here from NSS SCE to tell you about prevention and first aid of dehydration.
What is dehydration? Dehydration is a potential serious condition where fluid and body salts are lost from the blood body and not adequately replaced. This imbalance disrupts the usual level of salt and sugar present in the blood, which can interfere with the way the blood functions.
Now, what could be the warning and signs and symptoms of dehydration? A victim suffering from dehydration may present with dry mouth, eyes and other mucous membranes, dry cracked lips, headaches, dizziness and confusion, cramp and tightness in muscles, especially in the legs, and a reduction in the amount and frequency of urination with dark colored urine.
Let's see some signs of dehydration among babies, children, and adults. In babies, they suffer from fever, unusual tiredness, no tears, dry mouth, no wet diaper. On the other hand, children and adults suffer from dizziness, headache, tiredness, thirst, dry mouth, crankiness, dark colored urine, dark skin, and constipation.
It's normal to lose water from your body every day by breathing, peeing, and through tears and saliva. So, let's see more causes of dehydration. So, here are the causes of dehydration: excessive sweating during physical activity, prolonged exposure to the sun or hot conditions, sweating because of fever, that is high body temperature, and severe diarrhea and vomiting.
Here is some first aid treatment for dehydration. First, assist the casualty into a cool shaded place. Secondly, encourage them to sit down or stop any physical activities. Third, provide plenty of water or oral dehydration solution, that is ORS, to drink. Fourth, if the patient is suffering from cramp, stretch and massage the affected muscles. Fifth, monitor and record the vital signs, for example pulse or respiratory rate if strained.
At last, here is a urine color chart where an individual can check whether he or she is suffering from dehydration or not. So here, first and second stage shows that body is hydrated and an individual should keep drinking water at the same rate. Third and fourth stage shows that body is dehydrated and darker color urine can indicate that you need to drink water more. Fifth to sixth stage shows that body is more dehydrated and an individual should drink 2 to 3 glasses of water at the moment. 7 to 8 stage shows that body is very dehydrated and that individual should drink a large bottle of water immediately.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel.
Stay healthy, stay safe.
Thank you.